Hey everyone, happy math day. I'm going to run through what is on this unit plan for week 8. Please note everything this week is optional. So this is completely optional. You see there's 5 activities on here. You're already doing 1 by watching this video, but everything I go through is going to be optional for you. So check step 1, watch the intro video, great. Step 2 is to finish any work from teleschool. So anything from week 1 to week 7, we want you to finish and make sure you have 100% in Infinite Campus for each week. If you don't, all of your teachers have listed in Google Classroom what you are missing. So make sure you go back to that week and notice where it says need to attach a picture. Whatever you are working on, make sure you turn it into the correct week. So let's say I'm missing something from week 3. Go back, do that work, and resubmit it under week 3 in Google Classroom. Another thing you need to do under this step, if you choose to finish old work that you're missing, you need to email your teacher and let them know, hey, I resubmitted this, can you relook at this grade? So that we know to go back and check to make sure you completed it, and we know that we can update your grade in Infinite Campus. All right, step 3, again, optional. So step 3 is giving you the option to go back, review anything from the statistics unit, so unit 7, and retake your summative assessment. So this is the summative assessment that you took last week. Anyone is eligible to retake this test. Anyone is able to recover this grade. So let's say I got an 83 the first time I took it, and the second time I get a 95. Your teacher will put in the 95 into Infinite Campus. So no matter if you failed or passed and you got a 99, you can still retake it to get a 100. Now, on that note, we want to make sure you are reviewing before you take it the second time. So we are having a help session from 9 to 10 a.m. The link will be posted 10 minutes before. So join that help session, and a teacher will be reviewing any questions you have from this unit. And if you don't have any questions, we can just go over the summative review or the study guide before you retake that test. So the retake will be posted at 10 a.m., which is when that help session ends. So join the help session if you want to retake that test so that you are fully prepared. And remember, that test will post at 10 a.m., completely optional. It's just to retake that Unit 7 test if you want to try for a better grade. Step 4, there's an extension. So we linked in here, notice it's blue, so it's a link, a digital breakout. This is nothing to turn in. It's just a fun activity. It is all digital. You can do it on your iPad. There are 4 different locks that you need to break out of. Each of them has a different activity. This is just for fun, so if you would like to do it, feel free. And then again, another extension, step 5, is if you would like to do more iReady. For both of those, there is nothing to turn in. These are just optional activities if you would like. So remember, everything is optional, but please make sure you get the best grade you possibly can by finishing your work from week 1 through 7. That is top priority. Get all of your work completed. Good luck. Hope to see you in that teacher help session from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Even if you don't have questions, feel free to pop in, say hi. Good luck. Goodbye.